There's the library.
Yep. Just conscientious.
Barry.
Was that fun? Look, this time they need to take down.
Wait.
20 seconds over with.
Yeah. Where's she
Look
at?
at that chain of ball. Go move it. There he is.
Make a right here.
Hi.
Because it's a trail of tears.
Right here. Make a straight.
We're going to the Trail of Tears.
I know where we're going. I just want to go in the roundabout with you guys.
There's a Vesco right there.
There she is.
How come we never eat at these places?
Because fucking you don't want to go down here.
I come down here all the time. I drive through here.
I come
I
here.
don't care.
I come here and eat money.
I got money to burn.
Damn.
Fuck.
I did some work up there. We put some.
Make a right.
Why?
Because you better go to. Oh, there it is.
Oh, there it is.
Hey, I wonder how much it costs to live here at the Lofts at the Seville.
A lot.
I heard it's like $800 a month
Where are we gonna park?
for a 3,000 square foot corner building.
Where are we gonna park?
Right
You
there.
gotta know, park right there next to Jimmy's John's. There's a parking lot right here, just pull right in there. Not here, the next one.
No, you can't park.
Yeah, you can, Brian. You can, trust me. Brian, you can park. Dude, you can't park here.
Oh.
You park in the Jimmy John.
You can park over there.
No, you park right in there. There's parking.
Jimmy
dude.
John lot. Reserve parking.
7 to 6. We're okay. Park right here. Park.
Unauthorized vehicles towed at owner's freaking expense. So get out.
So we can go next door?
Yeah.
I don't believe you.
Go.
I know which one
Trust me, man.
I know which one I want.
I do too. I know which one you want.
Right here, dude.
I don't want to park there.
Can't park here. It's $2
$2?
every 5 minutes until Saturday.
Don't get out here.
I'm gonna get out.
I'm gonna go out and bang my fucking seatbelt.
No, you're gonna put it in the jam.
I'm gonna get you in the jam.
I'm gonna jam you up.
I'm gonna jam you up, jammy boy.
Jibby, jibby,
You're gonna wish you were wearing your jammies. So we're going to Costco tomorrow?
Sure.
Maybe I'll just go on Saturday on my break.
What?
There's the Lofts at the Seville. You know who lives there?
Me.
Chester.
Chester and Lester.
Yep. No, Chester the protester.
Me and Tim, we ain't here. Right, Tim?
Yeah.
That's fucking little building.
We're
I know,
We're
it's like-
sticking in your ear.